A few months ago, I planted some old potatoes. They're in here, so I'm gonna check this out. See what's going on. Look. Oh no. Were they ready? Look at that. Oh, little cute potatoes. What a blessing. They're tiny, but that is a blessing. Wait, there's more right here. Oh, what is this? Let's see what's going on. What? Oh no, oh, look at that. These are so adorable. What is this? Ew. Oh, what is this? Oh shoot, I don't think this was ready yet. I think I just ruined my potatoes. I ruined my dinner. My future mashed potato dinner. Oh, look at that. This is the old potato I was talking about. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh no. I'm gonna replant it again. Sorry. There. Nothing happened here.